Alright everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today is the part 2 of installing the cabinet. But before we do that, make sure you have your shims select there. So already put them up. So before you do that, you gotta make sure check all the leveling, just like what I did here. I write it down. I need a 3/8 here, 1/8 there, so it's all different. Alright, so that way it will label and straight up your cabinet. Alright, so now it's ready to push this cabinet on that corner. Alright, you can check the leveling. Use this one. Slightly that side. And yeah, same thing. So you're gonna shift it. Now we're gonna use the leg. So remember this one, it was kind of left up a little bit, so make sure don't push, otherwise it's going to drop. Now check the leveling. Alright, that's good. Now we're good. Now it's nice and snug because we put the shims there, right? Alright, so I got something. So what would happen? What would happen if the wall is off square? It's not square. So here's my example. So it really depends on the situations. So what I'm looking here is to avoid overlapping this wall. That one, right? So if I make it tight here, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna overlap this, which this end cabinet might cover up the switch right there, right? Now I choose it, make it all the way here, push it all the way to the back, and then space here like that. I'm gonna show it to you now. See here? You have a space here. Because on that corner I'm pushing it right against the wall instead of doing the opposite way, right? Okay, so it all depends on the situation. It's either way you can do it this way, but the problem is that one, right? Next one, put in this one. Next one is this one. Last one. All right. So now it's all good. The next one, now we're gonna touch all the cabinet before we anchor it. All right, so right now we're gonna attach the cabinet all together. But first, I like to pilot hold them. It's I always the reason why, because whenever you drive your screws, it will drive clean better. All right, so let's do that. So I usually like to put one screw on top first, and then line up the bottom too. Right, then we can put screws somewhere in the middle. Right, so usually I go one here, 5 altogether. Right, so make sure just line up. Same here. Okay. All right, so pre-drill it. And then countersink. Just like that. Okay. See, nice and clean. Right? Looks good. Right there. So this is done. Now at the back, I'll usually put only one at the back, one on top, and one at the bottom. You're good to go. Same here. One here, and one on top. Alright, so what I'm doing here right now is this last cabinet that's going there, we shrinked it to 16. It was originally 19 and 5/8. Same as this, guys. Right. It was 19 and 5/8. Okay, similar to this one. So you can shrink it. So what I did, I shaved only one side, not both sides. See this? There's pegs and locking, but in the other side, it's all gone. So you gotta shave it in one side. Make sure you shave it in one side. Okay? And then the back panel. This panel, you gotta shave it last, right? So once you put the other side cable, let's say that's the other one. Once you put it here, right, like that, then, because a lot of people making mistakes, right? They measure this back panel, cut it to, because this one I shrink it to 16, see, 16. I'm shrinking this panel to 15 1/4, right?
God, you're a genius.
You got it.
Holy shit, you're a genius.
Thank you, Lily, for helping.
No, are you kidding me? Oh my God, you're amazing. Wow.
Right?
Yeah, Milo. Oh my God,
go.
Milo. I cannot even believe it. If this was Andrew and me, we would have never been able to figure it out.
No. Stay.
Yeah. Now that's about that side.
That's okay. I know, I measured it. Should be fine. Minute, you want to do me a favor? I'll push the cabinet and push the cabinet.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? Okay, can you see?
Please try to stop.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Oh, that's one.
fantastic. What a...
Okay, so now. That's one. Now we're going to mount all the cabinet, right? So that's how I do my cabinet. Put them together first and then mount it.